Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to host your own HTML and CSS website using GitHub Pages. Okay, completely free of cost. So to make this easy to understand, I have created a simple clone of the apple.com homepage. Just the first section only. First section, not just you can not see an exact copy here, not just an exact copy. Uh, just to demonstrate how you can take an HTML and CSS project to publish it online. I have made a simple website for website like for clone of apple.com. So we can make use of this and we can host our, we can study how to host our site. Okay, on GitHub. So Git is a version control system. So I have already told you that I will take a class on Git and GitHub separately. But just to show you how to host your HTML and CSS page on GitHub, I am taking this class. And also there is two things that you must keep in your mind. What is Git and what is GitHub? Git means it is a version control system that helps you track the changes in your code over time, like saving different versions of the code of your project as you work on it. So it will help you track what changes you have made in the previous code, previously what changes you made now. So if you want to check your previous code, or your coding track, you can get all those informations. Okay, so Git will always keep track of all the changes that you make to your uh, code. Okay, and on the other hand, GitHub, on the other hand, is an online platform that lets you store your code and share it with others. Think of it as a social network for developers where you can upload your code and even collaborate with other people. So, in this video, we will mainly be using GitHub to host a web page using a feature called GitHub Pages. Okay, don't worry if you're completely new to Git or GitHub. In this video, we'll keep things simple and focused just on hosting your site. But I'll be making a detailed tutorial on Git and GitHub soon. So stay tuned for that. All right, let's get started. Okay. Okay. As you know that, see, I have created a folder named Apple. Within that, I have a folder called images. In this, I have all the images that are and logos, everything which I have used for the developing this website is here, which I have took it from the website of apple.com. And also you can see here styles.css is my CSS page. You can see this many code is here. Okay, these are the things I have made. And now we can do one thing. So first what you must do is that we have to open the terminal. Go to the terminal of your uh, folder. Okay, there you must also you must keep in mind that in order to host your website on GitHub, what you must do is that you must have Git installed on your computer. I already have Git installed on my computer, so I'm just initializing that Git. So Git init. Okay, initialize empty Git repository. See, so next what I'm going to do is that I want to add all these files which are there in my folder. Do that. Add. So git add dot. Okay. So git commit. Next is git commit minus m initial commit. So this is the message that you're giving here. That means like, for example, if you are doing the second commit, you can say second commit. If you have made any changes, you can write all those things there. So now I must go to GitHub. if you don't have a GitHub account, go to GitHub, sign into that. Okay. I'm just going to sign into GitHub. So, sorry. Actually, let me see what was the password of my GitHub account. Right. So I'm just giving forgot password. Okay. Then, so for that purpose, I will just pause this video for. Yeah, we paused the video because I found it difficult to sign in. I forgot the password, so I reset the password and I'm back. So now you can see that here I have logged into my GitHub repository, my GitHub account, and here you can see a lot of here top repositories like this. You can see what all codes which I have pushed into my GitHub account that you can see here. So Git init, when we Git init, an initial repository was created, and now we are here. So we are now our next step is to sign into our GitHub account, and now what you have to do is that you have to create a new repository here. So here you can see when I signed in, see this is my profile. You can see like this. See here, this is the dashboard, this is the home page, and you can here you see the new button. So just click on the new button. So you can create a new repository. You can give any name for the repository. So I'm just giving Apple clone, simple. Okay, this just with HTML and CSS only. No functionalities, nothing is being added. So I'm just giving Apple clone simple. This is my repository name. I'm just giving. I'm not no need to give any descriptions for it. If you want, you can give. Or just I'm giving this is an okay, let I'm just giving. Yeah, this is an this is a simple clone of apple.com's homepage. Homepage just using HTML and CSS alone. So I haven't used any other things. I have only used HTML and CSS for this purpose. So if you want to make your repository private, you can do that. If you want to make it a public, you can do that. So that I'm just making it public. Then I'm just going to click create a repository. Okay, say I have created a repository. See, got a repository being created. Yeah, so here you can see. Now I got a link here, right? See this one. And now your repository you can see. And on clicking on create repository, GitHub will show some comments. Okay, when I created the repository, GitHub is showing me some comments. GitHub will show some comments to connect it. Okay, so in order for that, now, so this much we have already done on our VS Code. Git init we have done. Git add dot we did. So we were not adding readme.md. We added all the GitHub files with git add dot. So dot means that we are adding every files in our folder GitHub. So then I wrote this command line on the in the terminal git commit minus m first commit. Then now next what I must do is that next I have to add this command. Okay, sorry, I'll add this one first as is provided by git. Okay, sorry, pushing an existing repository from the command line. So if it's this much, this is what I must follow. That is first this one. So this is my repository. So this is what I must do because I have already done everything else in my terminal. So this is what I must do. And after that, we must copy this one, git branch. So we have to which branch we're giving it. So git branch minus a main and after that to the next one. Sorry, not this. After that, git push minus u origin main. Okay, git push. We need to push the code to the GitHub. So that is git push minus u origin main. So this one. So this one. So I'm just giving this one. So you can see what is happening. Yeah. So see total writing objects. So what all things is being done, that is all being tracked by the Git. And to HTTP dot this to this link, everything is being pushed. Okay. So now I can go to that particular repository. This is my repository. Yeah, you can see I have got all, every image, everything, whatever things I had, video, everything, every images, my old files which I had in my VS Code that is being uploaded, like pushed, it is pushed into the repository now. Index.html code is here. Okay, this is here, and also you can see style.css. That is my CSS code. So everything is here in the GitHub now. Okay. Now what we will do is that, so this is my GitHub repository for this particular clone or this particular project which I have done. That's simple HTML and CSS website clone. It's not exact clone, similar clone to apple.com. So now next we can just try to post it. For that, we need to go to the settings of the repository. See, take this repository first. Take the repository, go to settings. In the settings, you must go to pages. Okay. And here you must select that is already there. Now, on select channel. Here you choose main and save. Okay. Choose main and you must save that. Click save. It will take some time and now go to the Apple icon. Simple. Just go there. You can see now again go to the pages section. See, after some time we went to the pages section. So there you can see our site. The link is here. Yeah, my site got hosted. Yeah, this HTML and CSS page got hosted only. Let's net. Let's on GitHub. Got hosted on GitHub. Okay. That means if I send this link to anybody, they can see my website. Okay. So we have hosted my website on GitHub. So it is, even if it seems easy, you may find it difficult at the first time when you're doing it the first time. So some settings must be maybe some default settings sometimes may work, may not work. So when you download Git, you must have to take it all those things into consideration. So, in the coming videos, I will take a class on Git and what is Git and what is GitHub. So, even it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for patiently listening to me. Okay. In between, I forgot my password and I logged out recently. Only I logged out from that. So, I didn't sign up after that. So it took me some time because always I used to keep it signed in. But few months ago, so I signed out. So it was difficult for me to log in again. So thank you for uh, listening. Thank you for watching my videos. So keep uh, studying the first of all you must go through the fundamental classes which I have given on web development. After that, make a HTML page using HTML or HTML and CSS web page using CSS and HTML. Make a website. Try to make some clones like this. For this, if you want to make a web clone, you can take this. See, this is the actual Apple website I'll show you. This is the actual Apple website. I didn't add all these things because it took quite a lot of time to download this. For me, it I did not have that much time to download all of these source resources. So I just downloaded the basic things like some images and I took some video from the internet and I just added it into this. So this is the original one. So I just made a clone. I cannot say this that not an exact clone. This is my website. This is mine. See this link. Okay. So thank you so much for watching Engineer and Educator. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.